Okay, we have the Magic Pharmacist DIY Book Nook Kit. I have to be honest, I have not put one of these together yet, but this is something that really interests me. So I bought a bunch of them, and I'm going to start putting them together. Okay, here's the side view. Here's the back. These are for ages 14 and up. It does have some little electronics that you have to put together. It's 9.1 inches tall, 7.1 inches deep, and 4.3 wide. So it's like a book. Okay, let's open this. Take the sleeve off and open it. Okay, DIY Book Nook. I love the boxes. Here is all the accessories. See, this is the electronic part. Okay. And then we have some thin plastic. This is thicker. The dust cover needs to be removed before you use it. We have some stickers. And then this is paper. That you have to cut out. Oh, sorry, these are paper also. I thought they were stickers. These are paper. Yep. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, here's the thickness. You have to punch these out to put them together. Look at that beautiful cutting. Can you see that? Beautiful. I can't wait to get started. I'm excited. Beautiful. Look at that. That's so pretty. Okay, and then we have the instruction, 14 plus.